In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to start a reusable template you can rely on for consistent name brand emails. Some features depend on your subscription level, and I'll point that out when we get there. Start by signing into your HubSpot account and heading to the main navigation bar along the top. Find the marketing menu and click it. This takes you into the marketing tools area, where HubSpot groups everything related to campaigns, content, and outreach. From the marketing menu, select email. You'll land on the email dashboard where you can see existing emails, performance data, and options to organize your work. This is the central place for creating and managing the emails your team sends. Next, click Create Email. You'll usually find this as a prominent button on the page. This opens the flow for building a new email and sets the stage for choosing how you want to structure and send it. When prompted to pick an email type, choose Regular. Regular emails are one-time sends to a list or segment, ideal for newsletters, announcements, and promotions. This is different from automated or transactional emails, which are triggered by workflows or system events. Selecting Regular keeps the focus on designing the content and layout you want to turn into a template. Now, look for the option to Create New Template and select it. This tells HubSpot you want to start a fresh, reusable layout rather than relying on a pre-built design. From here, you'll work in the drag and drop editor. Think of your template as the foundation: a consistent header, a clear content area, and a footer with your company details and required unsubscribe information. Having your logo, brand colors, and typography guidelines handy will make this faster and more consistent. A quick but important note: creating custom email templates requires a premium plan. If you don't see the option to create a new template, your account may not have access. In that case, check your subscription level or ask your HubSpot administrator about enabling the necessary tier. As you design, aim for a layout that's clean, mobile-friendly, and easy to scan. Use concise section headings, keep body copy readable, and ensure good color contrast. Images should include descriptive alt text, and links should be clearly labeled so recipients know what to expect. That's the process. Go to Marketing, open Email, create a new email, choose Regular, and start a new template. With a solid template in place, every future email becomes faster, more consistent, and easier to maintain.